Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Or at least we think it's the 4th of July. We kind of lost track somewhere between car projects, missing parts, and generally poor financial decisions.
Mostly poor financial decisions.
Speaking of which...
Yeah, so here's today's video.
What's today's video about?
Funny story, we actually didn't plan a video for today.
None.
Zero.
Not even a bad idea.
So we panicked and did what any responsible adult would do.
Bought a military Humvee. Now, if you've been following the channel, you might know Steven recently bought a Shelby F-150.
Which I thought was pretty cool.
Most people thought it was pretty cool.
Most people.
But there were some comments.
That's not a real truck.
Should have bought something military.
Needs more diesel.
Can it survive an invasion?
Fair questions, honestly.
So naturally, Steven handled the criticism maturely.
I absolutely did not.
Nope.
I went and bought a Humvee.
For those wondering, this is a military Humvee.
Because apparently the solution to internet comments is a military-grade overreaction.
It's basically America's answer to every question.
Need transportation?
Humvee.
Need to haul something?
Humvee.
Need a 4th of July video?
Also Humvee.
Now today's video isn't some huge build project.
Trust us, we have plenty of those already.
The Volkswagen bus still needs attention.
There's a lot of projects that still need attention.
My bank account needs attention.
But since this is the 4th of July, we figured we'd show you the newest piece of questionable decision-making to join the fleet.
And honestly, if you're gonna make a 4th of July video,
this might be the most American vehicle ever. It's loud! It's huge!
It gets approximately 3 miles to the gallon.
And it looks like it should be parked right next to fireworks.
So that's our 4th of July special.
A video that did not exist until a few days ago.
A vehicle I definitely did not buy in response to YouTube comments.
He definitely bought it because of the YouTube comments.
Allegedly.
So happy 4th of July, everybody.
Let us know what you think of the Humvee down in the comments.
And if you leave enough angry comments,
I'm gonna have to buy a tank. See you later.
It's not that bad?
not that bad.
Pretty good.